I'm gonna answer these questions and then I'm gonna go to the next step. Of course, okay, the error you're seeing, indicates that your browser is unable to load applications core dependencies like React. Are you kidding me? It should not be a problem. Okay. And now let's tell it. Let's start. Let's generate an MD plan. Actually, I'm gonna use one of my where is it? One of my prompts for my prompt library. Where is it? Look. And now it will generate an MD file that will contain the plan. And this still has an error. Why? I'm actually a bit disappointed with Google AI Studio. Biela seems to do a great job so far. While this still returns the same. Well, I'm not 100% sure if it's the same error. Actually, it is. Uncut minified React error 31. Yeah, it is the same error, yeah. While Biela still works on the plan, on my plan, which is good. Okay. This will take a while, but there is no hurry. Okay, good. So the plan is done. It has 353 lines of not code, because it's not code, but text. And we've spent so far 61 cents, while the traditional cost would be already about $9,000. That's a lot. Okay, then I will go to my prompt library and I will actually tell it to start implementing the phase 1. And I will start with phase 1 mainly because this still returns the same error. Only with phase 1, mainly because I want to see how the UI will look like, right? If there are things that I will not like, I can actually change those first, so that later on, when the rest of the UI will be implemented, the new UI will be created based on what we already have, right? So let's say that if the initial color that Biela will choose, let's say it will be purple, for example, right? And I might not like purple. Let's say that I want a dark blue. Then I can tell Biela, well, instead of purple, let's use dark blue. It will use that color, and when it will create the rest of the pages that we need, let's say for example the login page, it won't use the purple color anymore. It will use the dark blue that I picked, which is exactly what I want. That's why I prefer to do these changes as soon as possible, right? But yeah. Meanwhile, this is not working properly. Why? Let's go back to this point. And why isn't this working though? I don't really like that. I will tell it, make sure the navigation system is done properly. And actually no, I will tell it analyze and criticize the navigation code to make sure that everything works properly. Now, what I'm curious about Google AI Studio, because I didn't use it that much, I used it for like a couple of projects, is what databases it's going to use, because I know they have their own web services like Firebase, Firestore, and so on and so forth. But honestly, I have no idea. Did not ask me for any information basically about the database. One thing I do love about this AI Studio is the fact that you can actually automatically implement their AI in your projects. I don't know if it's gonna be free, but you can. And I actually did. So it did criticize his or its own code, and it found out that there are some things that can be changed, and it is changing like a lot as it seems. Let's see Biela. Okay, it should be done soon. So Biela has a huge advantage in my opinion with this plan mode, because as you saw, it asked like a lot of questions, and because of that it helped me clarify a few things, like a lot of things. Phase 1 is complete. Now let's see how it's going to look. Ooh, I like it. Let's say www. Actually, this does not work. Oh, I need to. Wait, do I need to log in first? I think I do. Sign in? Oh yeah, we can. Yeah. Demo 1 to 3. I don't think that remembering matters. Well, I do like it. I love this free plan usage. Create QR code. This will come in phase 2, which is okay. I'm totally fine with that. Dashboard. We do have create new, which is basically the same as that one. Do we have like view? No, we don't. Edit, copy, delete. No, we don't. Those do not work. Analytics don't work. Profile. Oh, we do have. We do have a total scans, remaining codes. Yeah. I love it. I I'm actually surprised by this. Settings. The settings is basically the main page. Upgrade to premium, phase 3, okay, and sign up. Okay. Love it or hate it, $19 per month, okay. Multiple formats, PNG, SVG, and PDF. Huh? Oh yeah, you can save. Yeah, that's the thing. You can save the QR code in multiple formats. Not, I was thinking about the logo formats, like the files that you could load. And no, this makes more sense. Yeah. Logo uploads. Yeah, that is good. Yeah, I love it. Priority support, API access. Well, I mean, why not? And support. There is no page for support. Okay, good. I love it. And let me find the next. Good. Let's implement the rest of the phases except the last one. Which, or the last? Is that the last one? Or are there more? There is 7.3. Actually 7. Yeah. Right, is there anything about after 7? No. There is 7. The phase 7 is the last one. Okay, so we're gonna implement basically all the phases except phase 7. And I will tell Biela to start doing that right now. And while Biela... Oh, there we go. Now it works. And while Biela is doing that, I will take a break. And after that, we will see what Biela created and how well it's gonna look. But until then, be right back.